Spoon.
Wait. Hold this.
Where are they at? Oh, there they are.
It's a tablespoon.
Why are you doing it, Drew?
Money.
$5.
I thought so. There's got to be a reason why she's doing
Is
it.
that good or more?
That's good.
No.
That's
Oh,
plenty.
better than that.
No, that's plenty.
Hold
Can
on,
you see?
there
Wait.
Oh my God. What is it? What is it?
It smells good. Yes.
It's good for you.
Does anybody have any water for her?
No, she don't get water.
You can get a water.
Oh,
It's okay.
I'm gonna get out of her drug.
make sure you make plenty of saliva.
Mmm.
I can't even see her.
She did in the house. Are you getting it, Carla? She got it.
I'm getting out of the way.
Make saliva. Make
What?
It's already coming out of her nose.
I ain't ready. You got the water.
Give her some water.
My memory card's full. You better put that on face here.
Give it to her. Give it to her.
Give her water.
Give her water.
She's gonna puke.
She's gonna puke.
Water. Here.
Oh, throw it up.
Here, Drew.
Here's water.
Water.
Gargle it. And then swallow.
Oh, that's gross. That's.
Oh my God.
Here too, Courtney.
I'm not doing
Okay.
that.
Coming out of your nose?
Yeah, it was like a little.
Oh, yeah.
She puked.
I did see the little puff coming out of her nose.
Man, I think that's worth 50, not 5.
That wasn't the offer.
She can make it some money off of this at least, or what? Fuck.
She
She did it. She didn't do it.
No, she should get 5 just for trying.
Her high pitched voice.
Oh, poor Drew. Courtney?
I do that.
We saw what happened on TV.
I know.
Oh, so that happened on TV and they didn't make it either?
No, nobody can do it.
Nobody can do it.
It's too dry.
There's got to be something you
Can you make saliva? Like, you know, you got
Jamie, you gonna try, Jamie? Come on, try it. You can do it. $5. $5.